In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make 50% commission for 1 year with the new Webflow affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs in the world, and it's completely for free. And also in this video, I will show you 2 free strategies how you can promote the Webflow affiliate program and make money. Let's go ahead and get started. If you don't know what Webflow is, it has become one of the most popular website builders out there. Startups are using Webflow as well as big enterprises such as Upwork, Dropbox, the New York Times, Philips, and many more companies. And Webflow allows you to visually build a website without doing any code. However, if you are a coder, you can also add custom code. It has a CMS, which is a content management system, so you can easily manage your content. You can also easily localize and translate your website. It has a bunch of SEO features, and they can handle your web hosting and your scaling, so you don't even have to worry about servers and scaling or anything like that. It also has an API, and many apps can connect to it, and they have many different integrations. And they have an amazing affiliate program with a very generous commission structure. You can earn 50% reoccurring commission for the first 12 months. And here's the pricing page so we can get an idea of how much we can make as an affiliate. So for example, if a company signs up to the business plan and they pay $49 a month for an entire year, that's $588, and you will get 50% of that, which is $294 off a single company. And they also have an e-commerce plan. And let's say a decent sized company signs up and they pay $235 a month because they want all the features. That is going to be $2,820 in 1 year. And you're going to get 50% of that, which is $1,410. And that is off a single sale because of the generous reoccurring commission. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. You just need to click the link down below. And on this affiliate program page, we're going to go ahead and click apply now. And it's on the Partner Stack affiliate network. If you already have an account with Partner Stack, you can just log in and apply within a few clicks if you search for the company Webflow. However, if you aren't on the Partner Stack affiliate network, you'll have to fill out this small application. Has about 10 questions, and go ahead and click submit application. It will only take you about 2 or 3 minutes to complete. And once your affiliate application has been approved, you can go ahead and click Webflow inside your Partner Stack dashboard, and then you can go ahead and click links. And then you can go ahead and copy this link, and you can start sharing it on social media or your website. And if you scroll down, you can actually create a custom link if you want to link to a specific page on Webflow. And now we'll go over 2 free strategies that you can use to make money with this affiliate program. So one is doing YouTube tutorials on how Webflow works. And if we scroll down in the description, you can see it says open a new Webflow account via our affiliate link to support us. And this video has 1.1 million views. So he's probably made a fortune through this single video by promoting his affiliate link. And another strategy is to write content, for example, Webflow versus WordPress, which one is better? And this is an article promoting Webflow. It's actually the same YouTuber. He has a blog as well called Flux Academy, and he's promoting Webflow and also earning commission through this blog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to find more amazing affiliate programs to promote, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch. It's completely for free, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.